In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search sellers on Dhgate 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a seller's storefront so you can explore everything they offer in one place. Start by heading to dhgate.com in your browser or open the Dhgate app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed into your account. Being signed in helps your results and recommendations stay consistent, and it keeps your browsing and carts synced across devices. Once you're in, look for the search bar at the top. Type the product name you're interested in. Use clear, specific words so the results are close to what you want. For example, include the style, color, or material if it matters to you. Then press the search button to load the results. From the results page, pick any product listing that looks promising and open it. Take a moment to glance at the title, images, price range, and overall rating to make sure it aligns with what you had in mind. This quick check helps you avoid clicking into listings that aren't relevant. Inside the product page, find the seller or store name. On desktop, you'll usually see it near the product title or just below the price and rating. On the app, it's typically near the top of the page or beneath the add to cart area. The seller or store name is a clickable link. Select it to proceed. You'll be taken straight to the seller's store page. This is the hub for that seller's entire catalog. Here you can browse all products from the same seller, which is especially useful if you like the quality, pricing, or style of the first item you saw. You'll often see the store's banner, a summary of ratings, the number of followers, and how long the store has been active. Use these details to gauge reliability and consistency. From this storefront, explore their categories, scan featured items, and compare variations across similar products. If you're planning multiple purchases, sticking with one trusted seller can make shipping and communication simpler and helps you maintain a consistent quality standard. Take your time looking through product reviews and photos on individual listings within the store to confirm the items match your expectations. That's all there is to it. Open the site or app, sign in, search for a product,